Cleaning the washer tub on a monthly basis using the Tub Clean feature can help minimize the possibility of odors, detergent residue buildup, and maximize your washing machine's performance. To use the Tub Clean feature, you will need to purchase a tub cleaning product, which are often liquid bleach, powdered cleaner, or in the form of a cleaning tablet. Tub cleaners are used differently depending on the type of cleaning product. In all cases, please follow manufacturer's instructions. For liquid bleach, load it into the compartment labeled liquid bleach. If you are using a powdered cleaner, pull out and put aside the liquid detergent cup or tray and add the powdered cleaner into the main wash detergent compartment. If you are using a cleaning tablet, place the tablet directly into the washer tub. Do not add the tablet cleaner into the dispenser drawer. To start the cleaning process, make sure that the washer tub is empty of all laundry. Press the power button to turn your washing machine on. Turn the cycle selector knob or press the Tub Clean cycle button to the indicator marked Tub Clean. Close the lid or door and press the start button. The indication light for Tub Clean will stay lit and TCL will appear in the display panel. After the Tub Clean cycle and each washing cycle, wipe the door and the inside of the door seal to remove any moisture. Leave the door slightly ajar to dry the interior of the washer tub to help prevent odors. Please keep in mind that laundry should not be loaded while using Tub Clean. And if you notice recurring odors, run the Tub Clean twice and then run it once a week for 3 consecutive weeks. Thank you for watching our LG support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.